Alright guys, this is the room. As you enter, you see this massive king size bed, a painting, a nice lounge chair, and a study table. Look at this TV. Oh my god, and the $1 million view. It is so sunny right now, you can hardly see anything, but it's beautiful. My god, these people look so tiny. Look at them. Wow, look at that ocean. So clean, pristine. Alright, let me quickly show you the bathroom. There's some apples here. Alright, bathroom. Comes with a bathtub. I think it opens outside. Some Karma shower gel and shampoo. Beautiful marble bathrobes. So gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Some towels down there. You also get this wardrobe with water and the locker. Things to place your hanger clothes, suits, and an iron board. So that's it. This is the room 2312 with this magnificent room, with this magnificent view. Brilliant.